to its strong anti-inflammatory, anti-parasitic, antiviral and antibacterial properties, ginger is considered one of the 21st century's most powerful foods. Ginger is rich in vitamin C, magnesium and other minerals that make it extremely useful for your overall health. It is well known for improving digestion and immunity, relieving pain and fighting cardiovascular diseases, asthma, and many other health problems. A cup of hot ginger tea will bring you many benefits from any other drink, such as ginger battles infections and strengthens the immune system because it is rich in antioxidants. An effective remedy against the virus that causes flu, colds, and relaxation. Due to warming properties, ginger can improve circulation, as well as better absorption of oxygen, vitamins, and minerals. It relieves pain, helps in muscle pain, cold, flu and headache. Has the ability to reduce the risk of stroke. It is considered a very medicinal herb. It is known as such from 5,000 years ago. Turmeric contains powerful antioxidants and is beneficial to the body for protection against a range of diseases, from cancer to digestive problems. The turmeric, which is used in India as a medicine for various diseases, is one of the most powerful natural remedies. The active medicinal ingredient in the turmeric is called curcumin. Turmeric is used in India for many years as a spice and natural color. The turmeric gives the dishes a beautiful yellow color and a pleasant aroma, and in addition, it serves as a natural antibiotic, cancer prevention, liver and blood cleansing, arthritis and rheumatism, wound healing and quick recovery of injured skin. Ingredients for ginger-turmeric combo. Organic honey. 1/4 teaspoon crushed ginger. 1/4 teaspoon powdered turmeric. Coconut milk. 1 glass of water. Method of preparation. The preparation of tea is easy. First, boil water, add turmeric and ginger and let it boil for 7 to 10 minutes. Then add the milk and drain it. Fresh ingredients can be used. Ginger root and turmeric can be found in better supplied markets. A combination of fresh ginger and powdered turmeric can also be made. The choice is yours, and the amount of ingredients you use should depend on your taste. It is not necessary to use coconut milk, it can be also prepared only with water. If you want to put milk, use some of the plant origins, avoid the milk of animal origin. Drink this ginger-turmeric combo before going to bed.